Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.